जुनून अवार्ड भी एक सपने की तरह से था और बहुत समय से सोच रहे थे कि हम ऐसा कुछ करें कि कुछ एक ऐसा एफर्ट हो जहाँ पे हम पीयर टू पीयर एक दूसरे को के कामों को रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकें और वो बहुत सारे और लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा बन सके। हमने अलग अलग लेवल पर इनोवेशन के रूप में सराहा। नॉट दैट कि बाकी काम अच्छे नहीं हो रहे, बाकी काम इनोवेटिव नहीं हो रहे, बट ये थोड़ी 6 इनोवेशन थोड़ी अलग निकली और फिर 2 को जूरी और रिकॉग्नाइज करना चाहती थी। तो एक अच्छे लंबे प्रोसेस के बाद में समझिए कि 8 ये इनोवेशन निकली हैं। हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि चौपाल के थ्रू और इस सेक्टर के मीडिया के थ्रू, इस सेक्टर में बहुत सारी बातचीत के थ्रू ये इनोवेशन बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुँचें और बहुत सारे लोगों को प्रेरणा दे सकें। शायद जुनून का यही पूरा मकसद है।
The experience as a jury member was unique. Last year, being a recipient of Junoon Award and now in the jury was a completely different ball game altogether. I have realized it that how vigorous is the process of selecting people, and actually speaking, you feel proud of your achievement last year.
One big takeaway was that there needs to be community engagement for any social development problem to be cracked or to be solved in a deep, sustained manner. So that got reinforced with every example that we were talking about, that it is not an externally injected process, but rather one where ideas may come from different sources, but unless they are deeply embedded in community processes and the community takes ownership for the same, it's not likely to run a very long life. The other bit was the context specificity and the ability to address the needs of, or rather engage with different actors within the local ecosystem. So it's not as if people are operating in solo, but the way they connect with different stakeholders within the community, really leveraging the ecosystem in a very proactive manner.
And I've known of the awards for quite some time, but didn't know. Just discussing different organizations, learning about so many initiatives was a very, very interesting experience for me. I think the biggest takeaway for me is to go back and see these organizations. I mean, the more I find out about such interesting work, I think there's so much more to learn and so much more to see out there in India, because there's so many people doing interesting work. So the deeper we go, the further we go, we will find more and more impactful work that is happening in the country.
Jury experience, I would say, brilliant. Lots of learning, a lot of surprises. Completely impressed with the kind of applications and the initiatives. And of course, it was fun to interact with the other jury members. Lots of takeaways, but what really stood out for me was the kind of innovative work that people are doing at the last mile. Some things that we don't know, some things that we don't hear about. I think we need to be open to newer ideas and more stuff, more initiatives happening, especially at the last mile. I'm super impressed with the kind of work that most of you are doing. Please continue to do this. Please continue to share your work with everyone. Allow us to learn more from you and build the growth story together.